This rare 2009 Pontiac Solstice GXP Coupe was bought new in Grand Blanc, Michigan, and it is a one-owner car. These GXP Coupes are very rare. They only produced 1,152 total cars. 781 were GXPSs, and only 226 were made with 5-speed manual transmissions, and only a handful in black. This car had a GM-approved turbo upgrade kit put in that increased horsepower from 260 to 290 horsepower. These cars from factory did 13 seconds and a quarter mile. This is a future classic that you can drive every day and get close to 30 miles per gallon. Features include the GXP package, premium package, air conditioning, high-performance audio system, and more. Check it out today.
We're conveniently located at 241 Boston Road in Milford, Connecticut, or online 24/7 at napoliclassics.com.